Not all fish food is created equal. Do you know what you're actually feeding your fish? I want to teach you some of the secret and the simple things to look for. If you're at a fish store, if you're at a pet store and you want to look at that massive wall of fish food, I'm going to give you some of the secrets and simple tips that you could follow to make sure you're getting your money's worth. So what we want to look at is actually the very first ingredient. So the first thing on this list is going to be fish meal. So that means that we could be assured that the majority of the product inside of the premium staple fish food is going to be fish meal. Not only is it just going to be fish meal, it's going to be high quality fish meal. We're using whole fish. We're talking anchovies and mackerel, which are fatty fish, and those whole fish with the fatty acids are really important to be the basis for this incredible food, because it's going to deliver not only the necessary amount of protein, but all those really important fatty acids, which are critical for a lot of different mineral absorption throughout the entire fish. So we want to make sure that we have that incredible balance. Now, this particular fish food could also be used for the majority of the year. This is a standard. So this is going to have a balanced diet. It's going to have all the different breakdown of protein to fat to carbohydrates, as well as those micronutrients and prebiotics and probiotics, which are going to help them to better assimilate the protein that they're actually getting from their feed. One final thing that you always want to think about, you see these big giant bags out there, make sure you check the weight, because sometimes it could be a lot of air and a lot of fillers. Buy it on weight, not on volume, and make sure you check those ingredients. And when you do, you're going to have some incredible fish for years to come.